Rockwell Automation Academy of Advanced Manufacturing, not a traditional university. It's not a Penn State. It's not a state university or anything like that. Talk to me about working in the manufacturing sector of America, because you always hear that you need to go to university, you need to go to university, you need to go to university. But, you know, as Mike Rowe says, trades aren't dead either. And some folks should look at trade schools.
Absolutely. Another thing before I went to that program, Alabama is doing something to where they're trying to get more people to do trade. I want to say it's free education. Basically, you have to go and learn, and then companies basically get first dibs on you. So
wow.
I was really learning about this whole trade thing, and I was like, man, it seems like that's the move for people to do, is to learn a trade. And so when I got to manufacturing, I didn't really know what manufacturing was. I was just like hoping they'd give me the best explanation they could. So
yeah.
After I get out of the program and I'm actually on site, so I work at Owens Corning, like the shingle manufacturer.
Yeah.
I'm there and I'm like, oh, this is what this is. I had to go on site interviews, like while I'm in the program. They're like, all right, y'all have 2 days where you can go on site to the companies and take an interview. So we have to take a flight out of Wisconsin, and I went to Memphis first, and then the next day I had to fly out to Compton and like the Los Angeles area, and
wow.
basically just tour the facilities and see how I like it. And it was really eye-opening because, number one, I'd never seen anything like that, being in a shingle manufacturing company. And so it wasn't overwhelming, but it was just like eye-opening. It was like, oh man, this is what this is. This is, my job will be to make sure this place runs.
So was it more like a recruiting tour? It sounds like you're a free agent in the NFL, and it's like, hey, these companies want you, go tour them.
Yeah, I mean, wow. So when you get there,
you're Peyton Manning, dude. That's awesome. That's awesome to hear.
It's cool because like when we're there, they're letting us know like, hey, these companies had to pay to be able to hire you. Like they're paying thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars just to hire us.